Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio 2022, the ASP, NET workload, and the correct Net SDK. Open Visual Studio and choose Create New Project, pick ASB, NET Core Web App, then select your target framework and authentication type. Once done, name the project and set a sensible folder. Make sure to use meaningful namespaces. This gets your solution file, startup scaffolding, and launch profiles, so you can run the app immediately and iterate from a working baseline. Next, you expand the scaffold into functional features. Choose Razor Pages or MVC and add controllers, views, or pages for each route. Register your services in Program, CS or Startup. CS, use Add Scoped for request services, Add Singleton for app-wide state, Add Transient for lightweight instances. Configure app settings. JSON for logging and connection strings, and use secret storage during development. Once wired, inject services into constructors. Run migrations if using EF. To finish, switch to release, configure your publish target, Azure App Service, Docker, or a folder, and publish the build. Add logging and health checks so you can monitor runtime behavior and confirm environment-specific settings are correct. Test every endpoint with browser dev tools and Postman. Make sure HTTPS and CORS policies match your client. If something breaks, check the output logs and enable detailed errors locally. Common fix: mismatched connection strings or missing migrations, so rollback or reapply migrations as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.